Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Have you been trying to find out how long your system has been running or check for recent errors and warnings, but you're not sure how to do it? No worries. Let me show you an easy way to get that information within no time. Firstly, open up Command Prompt and type Net Statistics Workstation. You'll get the statistics related to your workstation, including the system uptime. This will help you see how long your system has been active and can be useful for identifying unexpected reboots that might indicate an issue. Next, let's retrieve the last 10 entries from the system event log. Open Command Prompt and type Wev2-QE system c.10 rd.true f.text. This command will display the last 10 entries from the system event log, including errors and warnings that can help you troubleshoot any recent issues. By using these commands, you can easily monitor your system's uptime and check for recent system events. Thank you for watching.